Okay, if you're doing enrichment today, I'm going to explain how to do this. You're going to do magic square if you finished your escape room yesterday. So you're going to get both of these papers. This is the one you will actually show your rise and run on. So we have to see your triangles, or you can write your ordered pairs into a table. Totally your choice. Okay, so I will actually show you both. So if I am looking at number 15, it's already worked for me, but we're going to check their work. I'm going to rise and I'm going to run. I see it as positive because my name is going up. I am then going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see my rise as 5 and I see my run as 1. I could totally put that as an ordered pair. -2, 1. And 1, 2, -3, -4. I could then go to my calculator and I could go to stat and I'm going to put those numbers in. -2, -3, 1, -4, stat calc 4, enter. Remember, we are looking for our slope, our M, our slope, but in our calculator it is our A, and as you see in our calculator, our A was 5. So we got our slope correct, which is 5. So number 15 is 5. Yes, this worksheet starts on 13, and you'll see why in a minute. As you see at the bottom, we're finding slope of the graph, so that's why they're all saying M equals. Remember, in our calculator, that is our A. So we go to this page. We are looking for M equals 5, because our slope was 5. Then we will put that question number in that box. We will then come down here and find that letter, which was I, and put a number 15. Then, let's work another one. Let's work number 14. I'm going to go ahead and put my name. I see my name is going down, so I automatically know it's a negative slope. I then rise and I run. So I got -6/7. Well, let me go ahead and check that in our table. 1, 2, 3, 4. -4 is my X, and my Y is 2, positive. My other one, remember that's 0, 0 right there, that's where I would start counting from, is +3, -4. So I'm now going to go to my calculator, just checking myself, and I'm going to go to stat edit, -4, 3, 2, -4, stat calc 4, enter. Ooh, that's not a pretty number. So if I look at that and I know I got -6/7, I'm just going to go to a normal calculator. I'm not even going to write that down. I'm just going to remember that. I can always go back and look at it. I'm going to hit second, quit, or clear. And I'm going to hit -6 divided by 7. And I'm going to hit enter. Is that exactly what it said my A was? It sure was. So I automatically know -6/7 is the correct slope. So my slope is -6/7. So I go to my answer key and I look for it. Oh, there it is. It's E. So -6/7 is question number 14. So I put a number 14. Now, if I am looking at this, my 14, my E will be 14. When you finish this, you can check yourself, or you should check yourself. Your horizontal, the numbers going across should add up, and you get your answer right here. Vertically, they should add up. Diagonally, they should add up, so you do each one separate. And then you add the sum of the ones in the middle. You then add the 4 corner boxes. Each one separate should add up to your magic total number, if you have it correct. So say this one added up to 94. This should add up to 94. Your diagonal should add up to 94. These four in the middle should add up to 94. And your four boxes should add up to 94. It's not 94, but that's just your example. So you are showing your work, whether you want to do rise over run or whether you want to show it as a table. Totally your option. As you see, if you do your rise over run, you already have it in fraction form, just like they are wanting it on your answers. So that is what you will be doing if you have finished your escape room. The first thing you're going to do is make sure you're not missing any work. Then do finish up yesterday's escape room. Then you will do magic square.